How to enable developer mode in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode in Windows 11. Developer mode is a feature in Windows 11 that allows developer to access additional tools and settings for the app development and testing. So let's start the video. On your system, left-click on your Windows icon, and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on System tab on the left panel. Now scroll down, and click on For Developers. A new window will appear. Here you will see Developer Mode option, Install apps from any source including loose files. As you can see, it's currently off. Simply toggle the switch to turn on the Developer Mode. You may be prompted to confirm your action. Click on Yes. So that's it, you have successfully enabled developer mode in Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.